This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if the Google Play Store just is not working on your Android phone. So the easiest way to fix this is if we just go to the top right and go to settings and then scroll on down, and we want to go to apps. So let's go to apps under here, and then we can find the Google Play Store under the apps, and we can just simply uninstall any of the recent updates. And that's going to probably fix whatever issue that you're having with it where it just simply doesn't load. So let's go on down. We should be able to find the Google Play Store right here. Tap it once, 3 dots in top right, uninstall the updates. Go to OK. Now this shouldn't delete like any data off there. Then also we can go to storage and we clear the cache and clear the data if it's still not working. But let's go back over to it now. And this usually restarts it and fixes whatever issue that you're having with it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.